Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download Tame's recorded video. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To download a recorded video from Microsoft Teams to your PC, follow these steps. Firstly, launch the Teams application on your PC. Go to the channel where the meeting was held, if it was a channel meeting, or check your chat history for other meetings. Recorded meetings are typically posted in a meeting chat or channel conversation after the meeting ends. Look for a post with a link to the recording. If the video opens in Microsoft Stream, click on the More options, the three dots button under the video. Then choose to click Download Video from the drop-down menu. This option will only be available if downloading is enabled by your organization. Choose a location on your PC where you want to save the file, and the download will start automatically. If you don't see the download option, it might be due to the settings managed by your organization's Microsoft 365 administrator. In that case, you might need to request permission to download the video or ask the administrator to download for you. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.